Hello, my friends. Let's make some numbers out of Play-Doh. First, we're going to use the pink Play-Doh. We're going to roll it out and we are going to make a number. Can you guess what number this is? You're right, it's number 1. Now we're going to use the red Play-Doh. Can you guess what number we're making this time? It's the number 2. We made the number 2 out of red Play-Doh. Now we're going to use the orange Play-Doh. Can you guess what number we're making this time? You're right. It's the number 3. We made an orange number 3. Now we're going to use the yellow to make another number. What number do you think we're making now? You're right, it's the number 4. We made a yellow number 4. Now let's use the green to make another number. Do you know what number comes after 4? Good job! It's the number 5. We made a green number 5. Now we're going to use the dark green to make another number. Do you know what number comes after 5? Super! It's the number 6. We made a number 6 out of a dark green. Now we're going to use the light blue to make another number. Do you know what number comes after the number 6? Super! It's the number 7. We made a number 7 out of light blue. Now we're going to use the dark blue to make another number. Do you know what number comes after 7? You're right, it's the number 8. We made the number 8 out of dark blue. Now we're going to use the purple to make another number. Do you know what number comes after 8? You're right, it's the number 9. We made a purple number 9. Now we're going to use the black Play-Doh to make another number. Do you know what number comes after number 9? It's the number 10. We made a black 10. Good job making numbers. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good job! Now you know all your numbers. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.